Alright, we're going to work on this John Deere. It's a, let's see, 55D John Deere. As you can see in this picture here, we got the Prescreen is nasty, filthy. We'll replace it with a new one that's all nice and bright white. This is located to the left of the driver's seat, just down below it. Just pulled off the fuel line and had let it drain. We had a full tank when we started this, so it took a little while to get it drained down. It's coming out, but it's not like full flow coming out. So get this thing drained down. Okay, just to explain the problem we were having, we've been, every time we go to bush hog, running the tractor at high RPMs, we get about an hour's worth of bush hogging done, and then the tractor would just act like it was starving for fuel. So we limp it back home and back to the house, and let it rest, go back out there, hit the primer on the pump and get the fuel back up, and it'd start back up and be able to run for about an hour again until it just would run out of fuel. So we kind of been talked to service techs at the local John Deere place, and they suggested changing the screen out. And a few other forums that I looked at said change it, so we decided to give it a shot, and it seemed to work. I hope this helps someone else out. Okay, well, hear that. I'll focus the area. I think that might be our problem. Yeah, there. This is what it's supposed to look like. Let's see if it'll focus on it. Too white. Yeah, there we go. That's what it's supposed to look like. Alright, we'll stick this one in there and see what we can do. Yeah, I got it. New one's about to go in.
Hey, nasty, ain't it?
Yeah.
What did that other one look like? This is
Bright white.
bright white, huh?
Yeah.
So that was it.
Yep. Turn that back up and there you go.
Anything I can do?
Not right now. Just tightening this last screw. That'll be it.
Got it?
Yep, got it.
Well, it looks like the repairs worked on the tractor. Been out here bush hogging for a little while. Getting quite a bit done.